Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I don't have my what is it called, my candle, because I ran out of it. So I got that candle from Target and it was like one of those little ones for $5, so it didn't last, so I gotta go back and get me some more. But anyways, we got the flowers today, and check out my nails. I got my nails done today. And I'm also wearing this super cute sweater I got from Envy Design. I'll leave her linked in the description, but I'll leave a picture right here of me wearing it. Super cute. But anyways, let's get started. So I was supposed to film this video last week, I think, and it is currently 12 midnight, and I was like, you know what, let me just film it now, get it out of the way before another week comes in and I'm like screwed. I have a lot of things to do, so I'm like, let me just film it now, it's fine. So we're gonna start with our new A7 binder. This is my super cute SimpleShopz binder that I got, and this is my setup. So I have this super cute why do I keep saying super cute? I got this dashboard that I made. It says hello autumn, pumpkin patch, family and friends, cozy sweater, falling leaves, bonfires, and hot cocoa. And then here I have my home essentials zipper envelope that I made, and these are available in my shop. Well, not anymore because you guys bought them all today. So I have my home essentials, and then I got my spending, my self-care, my business, MTA's transportation here in New York. I have Thai receipts and then points, and behind a couple of these I have a budget sheet. So what I basically do is I write down every time I spend money from the categories, just so I know how much money I have. So currently, as you guys can see, there's nothing in them. They're all blank because I did spend them last week. Last week. And then today I spent whatever was left in self-care when I got my nails done. But anyways, enough talking. Let me pull out my paycheck breakdown. So this is my paycheck breakdown, and like I mentioned, this video was supposed to be from last week. So this is all we stuffed in here, and I already spent this. So we're just gonna refill these envelopes. So I didn't really budget like how much I'm gonna be putting, so I'm just gonna put whatever I think I will need. So basically $20 for all of them. Spending, we're gonna put 25. 25. Self-care, I'm not putting anything. I just got my nails done. Business is not getting anything. MTA is getting a 20. Thai is getting 20. And then that's it. All right. So now let's get into my bills and sinking funds binder, and this is it right here. So look, this is like the baby and this is the mama. But let's go ahead and stuff some bills. And I also added this dashboard to this binder. I think it's cute. I think it's super cute. But anyways, rent is getting $369. So we're gonna do, look at this, an old $100 bill. So we're gonna use this. So we have 100. So the 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So rent has 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 369. All right, next we have credit card. Wait, why is this envelope all the way up here? Oh, you know what? I was taking pictures earlier, so that's why. But this envelope belongs more towards the back. But anyways, let's do this one. Credit card gets $35. So we'll do 20, 10, and 5. $35. Next, we have electricity. My electricity went down. So electricity is $80. I'm going to do 20, 40, 60, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah, let's do this. 80. Next, we have Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi. Okay, why do I not have Wi-Fi on here? Oh, no, Wi-Fi I'm paying for the next one, for my next check. All right, cell phone is not getting stuff. Gym is getting 28, but I don't have the right denomination, so I'm just going to add 30. So 20, let's add 2 5s. Insurance doesn't get stuff yet. Streaming, this is 15, let's see. 15 plus $54.93, that's $55. And then Netflix charge, so I don't have to add that. So we got to stuff $70. 20, 40, 60, 70. And then that's it. And now let's move on to my sinking funds. So I want to show you guys this new sinking funds tracker that I have. So what I basically do here is like this was for the month of what was it? July. So July I started, no, August. Duh. August I started with this amount, and then at the end of August I ended up with this. So this is why I'm using this tracker, so I don't have to constantly go into my envelopes and be like, how much do I have in this envelope? No, I have this tracker here, and it's easier to have it, you know, to see it like this written down, to see how much you have in every envelope and how much you've saved. But anyways, let's go into my kiddos. And I didn't budget, like I don't know how much I have here, so I'm just gonna do whatever. So kiddos usually gets $10, but since I haven't stuffed in almost 2 weeks, we're just gonna add a 20. So kiddos now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 84, 86. That's 186. Emergency, this is what I want to stuff this like more, like add more to it. So each one of these is $20, so we're just gonna add 60. So we're gonna do one leaf, we're gonna do another leaf. You know what? Should I add 60? No, we're just gonna add 40. 40, because I also want to do my 10K challenge. So emergency fund now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. That is 180. Wait, 20, 40, 60, 80. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60. Yeah. Okay. 80, and then savings usually gets, what is it? Savings gets 5, so we're gonna add 10. We're just gonna double it up. So savings has 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 160. Oh my God, that looks horrible. You know what? Let me take it out. Student loans. We're gonna do 2, so that's 36. 18 plus 18 is 36. So So we're gonna do 20, 30, 5, and 6. Ew, look at this dollar bill. So student loans now has 100, 20, 40, 50, 50. Wait a minute. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 180. And I gotta color in 2 of these. 1. And then 2. So this is my new student loan taxes savings challenge. So as you guys know, people are going to be receiving a loan forgiveness of like $10,000 and $20,000 depending how much you qualify for. And I qualified for 20K. So apparently, since I'm in New York, we got to pay taxes. So this is going to be taxable. So I did the math, and if I get 20K, I got to pay, I think, like 1,300 and something. So what I did was I divided that amount by 33 weeks. And why 33? Because that's during that's how many weeks we have until tax season. So I want to start saving for this, you know, just in case. So each one of these is $40. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add 40 to this. I need my pen, and I have it in here. Oops. So we're going to do this one, 40. All right. Capital One is getting 25. So Capital One has 20, 40, 45, 50, and I do make a payment every time I reach 100. Next we have Best Buy, and I just made a payment towards Best Buy, so I'm not adding anything. Fur Baby, I just used this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did say that Milo got groomed and he looked weird. His eyes were red. But anyways, he got groomed, so I am starting this all over. So we're going to do a 20. All right, and we're just going to leave the water there. Alrighty. Next we have gifts, and it was just my husband's birthday, so we pulled everything that was in here, and I'm starting all over again. So we're gonna do, let's see, let's do 10. You guys, my birthday is in a couple of days. What's today, the 10th? No, so my birthday is in 13 days. Super excited. I'm not really doing anything for my birthday. I'm an introvert, so I don't want to go anywhere. Maybe just somewhere to eat, like just my husband and I, my kids. But like, I don't want a gathering or anything. Like, I remember, I think it was like 2 or 3 years ago, my sister-in-law, my brothers, my husband, they all like, and like my parents, they all did a surprise party for me at my mom's house. And I was like, oh my God. I'm not a crowd person. Like, I don't like gatherings. Yeah. But anyways, Christmas is getting, let's see. Let's do a 20. Actually, we got to do 2 because we are doubling it up. So we're going to do 40. So 20 and 40. Oh, this is a different shade of, you see, I got the wrong color pencil. So we're gonna add 40. So Christmas now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. You guys, we still have time. People are like rushing, like, oh my God, Christmas is almost here. But we have time. We have time. Don't rush. Autumn is getting a 20. So we're gonna do 15 and a 5. So Autumn now has 40. Alrighty, taxes. I am doing Adventure is getting a 20. All right, so let me tell you guys where I was supposed to go. I don't know if we're still going, but we're supposed to go to Canada. Yeah, we're supposed to go to Canada, to Niagara Falls, but I don't know what's going on. So, you know, I'm still saving it just in case. But I hope it's like no time soon because I'm not done saving for it. Miscellaneous is going to get this $1 because where am I going to put that $1? And then last but not least is my 10K challenge. Let's see how much money we have in here because I don't even know. Let's see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Wait, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Ooh. So we could do, should we split it? Maybe we could do, yeah, we could do 200. We'll do this one down here just to get it out of the way. And that's that. And this is definitely a different shade of blue. So let's go ahead and count this. So I did like I swapped the bills because I didn't want it to get bulky, so I added hundreds instead. So let's go ahead and count this. We have 100, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 20, 40, 60, 80, 6. 5, 6. So 500. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 40, 60, 85. 20, 40, 60, 86. $606. That is amazing. And that's that. And then this is my sinking funds tracker. Why is this one sticking out? This Autumn. All right, you guys. Well, that is it for today. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Uh-oh. Bye.